Properly where they were running because these guys are.
Don't get me wrong, it's funny. Be waxing that ass while looking at fishes, you know what I'm saying?
Okay, well, look, he's gonna see us, he's gonna see us. Anthony's gonna see us.
Yeah, I was like stroking his wiener or something, picking stuff up.
I like that a lot.
Good?
Yeah! I wanna go get that.
Someone's honking. Right, one out. Goddamn fucking stream snipers. His body fell off.
I just wanted to get rid of him, dude. I didn't care. I just really wanted to get rid of him.
Fuck.
Damn.
This shit just happened.
That's the one thing I'm not gonna like, though. When you get like fucking obnoxious ass stream snipers, that's what they're gonna do.
Yeah. Are you?
Yeah.
Yes.
I'm going to. Here we go.
What?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm honking now. Let's honk.
I love it. Yeah, the honking snipers are gonna be really annoying. That's gonna be really annoying.
In the back seat, in the back seat. Grimmmz killed me. Go in, get in. Sorry, I have no way of knowing.
God, that's annoying.
I'm fucking here because this goddamn car.
Just stay honking.
This mother. The same two goddamn guys.
That's really annoying. Good lord, I wish they would stop.
Yeah, I'm a middle finger.
This is it. This is it. This is us before we get banned.
Well, here we go again.
Incoming transmission.
Vehicle coming in?
I'm gonna kill you, Paige.
Ninja is gay. Playing.
Big Pharma hater. Thank you. I'm gonna go with that guy's name. Big Pharma hater is another one. Oh God.
Uh-oh. Is that a stream sniper or is that just a guy having fun?
Spectate over this guy. Well, we're gonna know who it is. Big Pharma hater.
He was getting shot at though. Careful.
I know.
He had nothing on him.
Car, move it up. Oh, okay.
How do none of my shots register right there? He's gonna fly over.
I'm dead. I buy power.
Bye.
Oh, this guy's on fire. Don't let him run me over.
Oh, come on, relax, have some fun.
I can reach out to someone right now and get a ban. Big underscore pharma underscore hater. I buy power and then honk honk honk. All stream snipers. Get them all fucking banned, dude. All three of them. What an idea, man. There's huge stream sniper controversy going on. I have an idea. Let's implement a mechanic that allows people to honk their horn and drive by when they're shit. Like,
Got stream sniped in every game in first person, so I had to take a break. Stream snipers are just now like driving around, just like holding down the button. It's pretty.
Oh,
It's very loud.
that's horrible.
Yeah. Hey, look, it's the same guy. Oh, people see that you weren't lying about stream snipers. Not now. They'll still say I'm lying because they're fucking idiots. Ha! I gotcha, bitch. Sorry we're not getting too much going, guys, because of the stream snipers. I'm gonna keep trying, though. I know we can get a really good game. So let's go play some third person, and we'll come back to first person and play some more, okay?
let's go to the other. I can't handle this.
What's that?
Just can't handle these guys. It's so frustrating, man. I can't even think, dude. Those horns are so fucking loud.
Yeah, I don't think it's really entertaining when you just keep blasting the horns around. They really annoyed the shit out of Anthony yesterday, too, just holding down that honk button. And it's extremely loud.
You guys report him.
Sounds good.
I'm trying to stream right now. You guys got their names. Report them. And they're obviously stream sniping. I mean, they're not doing anything. I mean, yeah, they are. It's just, what, you know, whatever.
Dude, I want to hop online. I want to find that one streamer or those two streamers that I just hate, and I want to just try to. I don't know, man. I just got no life.
Okay, don't worry, man. Let me just call my girl. Well, I don't have a girlfriend. So yeah, I'm down, man. Let's do it.